hope you all are having a great day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have our October 2019 Snail Mail Sticker Club. I really enjoy the subscription because, let's be honest, who doesn't enjoy stickers? They're always fun. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it just to refresh you if you have seen the video before, and if you're first time watching this unboxing, opening, yeah, you'll know what's going on. So it is literally a little subscription of stickers every month, and it's always super fun. Now it does come from Canada, so it's $15.95 Canadian, which breaks down to about $12 US. It includes over 10 various size sticker sheets, a frameable 5x7 postcard, 2 beautiful affirmation cards, and other fun surprises. It is free shipping to Canada and the US. $6 for worldwide shipping. It says it's an amazing gift for sticker lovers, planners, scrapbookers, grandparents, kids. Okay, a great gift for anyone, because who doesn't love stickers? Now, whenever you sign up, that will be the date that your subscription renews, and your sticker pack will ship on the 6th of every month. Please order by the 31st to get the next month's box. Like I said, it does ship worldwide from Canada. So, it says, what will you get each month? It's a surprise. Maybe shiny stickers, puppy stickers, scratch and sniff stickers, glitter stickers, planner stickers, scrapbooking stickers. Your Snail Mail sticker pack is sure to brighten up your mailbox and your day. So let's get in here and see what we got for October 2019. So I do like that it comes in like a little bag, so everything's always together every month. And it says, Happy October. I'm open to miracles. Ooh, this is such a good one. Are you open to seeing the good around you and allowing magic to happen? It is the magical month of Halloween, after all. Will you share the second card with a friend? So, because it, like I said, there are always 2 affirmation cards. So there is that. And then okay, so this is just, this is just something that they put in there with like a little thank you for being a part of their subscription. All right, so this is what it looks like. Cute little snail guy every month is on the bag. I think he is adorable. And then, like I said, all your stickers are in a little bag. So let's take a look at our cards. So the little affirmation cards, I am open to miracles. And then, like I said, you do get 2 of them. So there's those. You keep one and you can pass one along. And then the 5x7 fly free. You can use this as a postcard, or you could frame it. So there is that. Put that right there. All right, so then we have our stickers. So I'm just gonna pull them out. And on the first sheet are these little like metallic little lions. So cute. And then we have some little glittery like pirate stickers. And then we have some holographic heart, almost heart diamondy stickers. Oh, I like these. These are like 3D, like kind of raised up. These are really cute. A cactus and a hedgehog. I love those. And then, oh, these are scratch and sniff. These are vanilla. Love those. And then, oh, these are cute. These are almost like little label stickers. Those are nice to have. And they're very pretty. And then, oh, this is right up my alley. Let me, some of these I need to show you like this. This has got like coffee and different things on it. I see a croissant. Is that a mason jar? the mason jar, like jelly. There's a clock, a little bird, tea, milk, donuts. So I like that. And then, oh, we have some like neon cats and dogs. So cute. Those are adorable. And then, oh, some of these feel raised up. We have some oranges, limes, and lemons. Some of them feel kind of raised up. I don't know that you're going to be able to see, but like this one's raised up. It's not flat. Oh, these are cute. All right, so we have some more like pirate themed, but these are like little animals. Like a cat, a dog, a fox, a pig, a wolf, a parrot, which is obviously, I mean, a parrot's appropriate for pirates. So cute. Oh, and then we have some Halloween stickers, but these are like, put in the bag back here like you can't see. These are like color your own stickers. Those are so fun. And then our final sheet I'm loving because I see a sloth. But I do see like jaguar. I'm not sure. But there's some other animals. That is so cute. Look how cute that little sloth right there is. So cute and fun. So that is the Snail Mail sticker pack for October 2019. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out and sign up. It is just so fun, especially if you have kids or grandkids, or like I said, just anybody, because I'm 35 and I love stickers. So I hope you guys enjoyed and have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.